description box. Number 2 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. If you're into mechanical engineering and crave a 3D printer that's as thrilling as it is reliable, the AnkerMake M5 is your new best friend. As this mighty machine takes your prints to exhilarate heights, prepare to be blown away. With its upgraded PowerBoost 2.0, your creations will come to life at an astounding double the speed while maintaining impeccable print quality. It's like a turbo boost for your imagination. But wait, there's more! The M5 doesn't just speed things up, it also masters precision with a breathtaking 0.1mm level of detail. Thanks to its ultra-direct extruder and sturdy die-cast aluminum alloy structure, it delivers flawless prints without compromising stability. No more pesky errors ruining your masterpiece. The M5's intelligent error detection system keeps your prints on track, detecting issues like print bed mishaps, tangled messes, or extruder jams. And the icing on the cake? You can control this magnificent machine from anywhere. Whether you're inspired in your garage or sipping coffee at a cafe, whip out your smartphone or ask Alexa, and the AnkerMake app will be at your service. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.